Hello students, today we are going to learn our new lesson, that is Androcles and the Lion. It is on page number 7 of your textbook. Once upon a time, there was a man who was kind, gentle and courteous. His name was Androcles and he was a slave. In those days, what happened? The people who were rich, noble or kings, they used poor people as their slave, just like this picture you see here. Suppose this is Androcles and he was working. The person who is working, he is slave, गुलाम. Slave म्हणजे गुलाम. And जे त्यांचे मालक होते त्याला काय म्हणतात, मास्टर. मास्टर ऑलवेज take the heavy work from his slaves. Even after doing heavy work, the master always beat the slave. You can see in this picture, this is master and he is beating, मारत आहे त्याला बघा, beating his slave and do not give the food to them. So one day he ran away. Who ran away? Androcles ran away from the clutches of his master and went into the forest. When he went into the forest, he was wandering and came face to face with the lion. Look in this picture. This is Androcles, the man, and he came face to face with the lion. But when he came face to face with him, the lion did not groan or roar on Androcles. He want to run away. Androcles became afraid and want to run away. But lion did not do anything and sit on a place. Then Androcles took a close look. What is he saw? He saw there was a big thorn. It was pierced into the paw of the lion. बघा या पिक्चर मध्ये तुम्हाला दिसतं. He went closer and saw the thorn into the paw of the lion. With his left hand he took the paw in his hand and took out the big thorn. बघा त्याच्या हातामध्ये काटा निघालेला आहे. All this time the lion felt very gratitude for Androcles, and daily what Androcles did, first of all, when he took out the thorn from his paw, then he teared his clothes and bound on the paw leg of the lion, and always means daily he wash out that the injured paw of lion and help him. After it means for many days they lived together and became friends. He ran away. He ran away from his master. Who ran away? Who did run away? Androcles. Androcles पळून गेला होता. So his master complained to the emperor, king. त्या राजाला त्यांनी काय केली? कंप्लेंट केली की माझा गुलाम पळाला. His slave ran away. So the soldiers went in search of Androcles. When they came into the forest, he saw the lion and Androcles. So they catch hold of Androcles and the lion and took them to the palace. The lion was caged, म्हणजे त्याला तुरुंगात टाकला आणि अँड्रोक्लिसला पण तुरुंगामध्ये टाकलं, दोघांना वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी. अँड अँड्रोक्लिस हॅज टू बी पनिश बाय द लॉ. जो गुलाम पळून गेला त्याला पनिशमेंट करणार होते आता. बट पनिशमेंट काय होती की the slave who had ran away, he has to be placed before a beast. ॲनिमल. त्याला कोणासमोर आणून टाकणार होते? एका म्हणजे लायन समोर, आणि त्याला खूप दिवस उपाशी ठेवलेलं आहे. ही वॉज hungry for many days, and then the slave has to be faced with that hungry lion. The day it was fixed, it arrived, and on that day Androcles was placed into a cage, and the door of the cage was open, and you see the lion enter into the cage, and he jumped on Androcles to take a bite of him. But when he came closer, what happened? He was Androcles. Lion saw Androcles and he remembered how he helped him. Then he came near him and licked his lick him, म्हणजे त्याला चाटायला लागला, lick his face, त्याला चाटायला लागला, आपलं प्रेम व्यक्त करायला लागला. अँड्रोक्लिसने पण त्याला ओळखलं, and they came together, and the audience who were sitting outside, they were सरप्राईज, व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग. ॲक्च्युली त्या लायनने तर त्याला खाऊन टाकायला पाहिजे होतं, मारायला पाहिजे होतं. बट ऑल द पीपल, ऑडियन्स आणि तो एम्परर सुद्धा, त्यालाही आश्चर्य वाटलं, व्हॉट हॅपन हिअर. काय होतंय? ज्याला खायला पाठवलं होतं तो त्याला खूप प्रेमाने ठेवून जवळ घेतलेला आहे. दोघंही एकमेकांना पकडून, म्हणजे अँड्रोक्लिस ऑल्सो वीपिंग, तो त्याला पकडून रडायला लागला. हे सगळं पाहून सगळ्यांना आश्चर्य वाटलं. देन एम्परर केम टू हिम अँड आस्क्ड हाऊ इट वॉज हॅपन. त्या लायननी कसं काय तुला सोडलं आणि कसं तुला जवळ हे करायला लागलेलं आहे. देन Androcles told the whole story in the forest, how he helped him and how they were living as friends in the forest. The emperor also became happy with this story, and he offered a award to Androcles and set him free. Androcles set the lion also free, and two friends became together and live happily in the forest. This was the story of Androcles and the lion. तुम्ही काय करायचं आता? You have to do the activities on page number 9. English workshop. You have to do of yourself. You have any problem, you can ask me by writing the message. Okay.